First of all, a few words about myself. Uh, I've been involved in ASO for a few years already. I'm working at a company which is called Onde. We're doing ride-hailing applications. We have ride-hailing companies in 50 plus countries all over the globe. Yeah, and I'm optimizing those ride-hailing or simply speaking taxi applications. Uh, yeah, I'm a lecturer at Sodesk Academy, and in the last couple of years, I trained more than 300 ASO juniors. So I see even in here in this room some students of academy who are doing very good ASO at the moment. So. About implementation of Google Play native in-app prompt for which is asking for to rate the application. So I shared my presentation in the four parts. So I will say a few words about our hypothesis. How did we implement this change in our applications? Results and findings we did after all those changes. Just one more thing, we have like a few hundreds ride-hailing applications. So when we implement such things, we have data for, let's say, 100 applications all over the world. Okay, so the context. At the beginning, our applications, like dozens of applications, didn't have in-app prompt. So on this slide, you see screenshots from the ASO platform, which shows that one of the application had just a few ratings daily without this native prompt. So once I came to our product manager and said, come on, we should finally implement this Google Play native in-app prompt to get more ratings because we have just a few ratings in comparison to our competitors in many countries. For instance, in some countries, we have like the same share of ride-hailing business with, let's say, Uber, but Uber application has 100,000 ratings and our application has a few thousand ratings. So yeah, one of the reasons to implement was just to get the same quantitative results in terms of rating and qualitative, because I think everyone understands that when you do not have enough prompt, the people who are rating your application and writing reviews, mostly they are posting a very low rating because they are not happy with your application, with your service. So they head to Google Play and they share their bad emotions. So low quantitative and qualitative results pushed us to implement this Google Play native prompt. And of course, as I've said, competitive disadvantage. It was very strange to see that we are doing in some countries 100,000 rides a month, and we have 1,000 ratings for our application in this country. So, and our hypothesis was actually not only so. These were not the reasons why we implemented the Google Play in-app prompt. We had two hypotheses. So if we would have more ratings, it means our Android application would have more visibility. So another hypothesis is that if we have more ratings, our conversion rate will grow. So 80% of users check ratings before downloading the application. So we were thinking, okay, if 80% of users are checking the ratings and reviews before downloading the application, and we will have more of those ratings and reviews, our conversion will improve. So we implemented native Google Play in-app reviews integration without any additions, without any custom screens, without any tricks, just a crude integration. And we started with 10, more than 10 applications which are working with us. So here you see the situation after the release of the feature. We started to get a lot of new ratings in qualitative from quantitative perspective, but from qualitative perspective it worked as well, because we started to get from 0.5, like the average rating which we were receiving improved by 0.5 or 1.5 stars. And but still conversion rate of the event was lower than 10%. What do you think? Did we improve our visibility after this change? Oh. I don't know. I pressed down and could you help me? Okay. Actually not. No short and mid-term visibility effect in terms of search and explore. Here you see just 3 examples, but we have dozens of such examples. There is no direct impact of qualitative or quantitative change in terms of ratings on visibility of the sources search and explore. What do you think about conversion rate? General conversion rate from view to install? The same, no change. And this is the case for dozens of applications. And once, just maybe a few months ago, we were testing and iterating the screen and event after each we were triggering the prompt. So we did such an experiment, as you see here. We almost switched off the prompt. Do you think, did it affect our visibility and conversion rate? Let's check. Do you see any changes? There is a slow grow, but this is seasonality. This is December 24, 23, December 31. There is no direct impact of the qualitative or quantitative change in ratings on the visibility of Android application. So in short and mid perspective, we see no direct impact of those things on the visibility and conversion rate. Of course, in terms of so-called holistic App Store optimization, implementation and iteration of in-app review and rating prompt is a must, of course, in terms of holistic ASO. But I won't expect from changes in the area a direct impact on Google Play search algorithm and visibility. Thank you.